Hi guys, welcome to this session in Microsoft Access. In this module, I want to show you how you can create basic macros and attach them to command buttons. So first of all, up to create, and then on the right there, you've got macros. And when you click on macros, you get two things. You get the action catalog down the right hand side, and then a little drop down list on the left hand side with some more actions. So I'm going to keep it simple. The first thing I want to do is open a form. So you type open, it defaults to form, pressing enter, it opens it up and it's wanting you to select the form that you want to open. So I'm going for this form and then I'm going to leave all that as it is. And then what I want to do is close the window where the button is going to be. So I'm going to put a button on the main menu form. I want that to close and this to open. So I need another action. I want close window. So type close and it should come up with close window. And then it's asking me what object is it? It's a form. And the object name is main menu. So I'll go for main menu. And then I need to save this macro. So I'll save it as MCR for macro, open customers, close main. I think it's quite important that you do type some sort of instruction there that would stand out and so you know what it's doing. Okay to that. Close this down. Go on to main menu, onto design of main menu. Draw a command button. Just draw a command button there. And then to assign the macro, it's miscellaneous, run macro, and then next, and then you see that macro there, next, and then I'm going to put open customers, next, and then finish. Save this, have a look. So now I click on that button and it opens up customers, and you can see there, look, it's closed the main menu down. So now I need another one that's going to open main menu and close customers. Let's do it the other way around. So I'll go back to create macro. So again, it's still going to be open form. This time it's going to be main menu. I'm going to open main menu, leave everything like that, and close window, not database. Okay, what I've done there is I've actually clicked on that, didn't mean to, so I'll type that again. Close window. So close window, but I've got that database thing there, just got to watch out for that. I'll close that off. So object type is going to be this time forms. And it's going to be form customers, customer details, like so. Save this. So this is MCR open main close customers. You don't have to name it like that, but I like to name it like that. Close the macro down, go back to customers, form customers. This one, into design on that. Draw myself a command button in here and do the same process again. And miscellaneous, run macro, follow the wizard through. So it's going to be open main, that one, close this. So I'll just put there main menu as the text for the button, and then finish, then save this form and then see if it works. So click that, opens main menu, closes that form down. Click that, opens customers, closes main menu down. So both of those are working fine. Now the problem with doing individual macros like that is that you can create a lot of macros that are doing similar sort of things. So there is a feature where you can create what's called submacros and give them a unique name. So that's what I want to look at now. If I click on create and then go back to macros, what you've got over on the right hand side is submacro. So I'm just going to double click on submacro, and it's got I'll give it a name. So I'll call it open customers. So we'll do the same sort of thing. And then the action is going to be open form, and I'll pick customers from there. Customers. And then that's that sub macro. And now I want another sub macro. Double click it again. So that's that one up there. And this is going to be open. Let's go for query sales details. That's a form. So it's going to be open sales details. And then that's going to be open form again. So this time it's a form FRM sales details. That one. Like so. Save this as open forms. So that's the name of the macro, but you've got these sub macros within it. So open forms. Now if I just close this macro down, you'll see how this works. If I go back to the main menu, into design on the main menu, draw another command button. So this is going to be miscellaneous, run macro, next. So now you see what happens there. You've got open forms, and then you've got like a little dot between the two open forms customers, open forms sales details. So I'll pick that one. So you would have a list still in here, but it's all underneath that open forms macros. In all intents and purposes, the storage down this left hand side is tidier. I'll just follow this through. Sales details, this was. Sales details, capital S, keep it the same. Sales details, next and finish. So save this, have a look, click it, and it opens it up. So I could have put the close window down on that one as well. It would have closed main menu, but I didn't need to. So that was that one. Let's close main menu. Now you can also create a macro, basic macro to, this is just back to a basic one, open report, press and enter there, and the same process will apply. You can select the report you want, calculations. I'll save that as MCR calculations, and then OK to that. Close this macro down, and then go and attach it to the main menu. Now you can do exactly the same with sub macros on that one. I'll just do an individual one, so I'm not just doing open form. Form design, miscellaneous, run macro. So you're picking it up there. So you've got calculations at the top. Follow it through. Just call it calculations. Finish. Save. Have a look. Click the button. There you go. Close that one down. So that's just a very short video of how you can create a basic macro and then attach it to a command button. So hopefully that's of use. Thank you for your time. I'll catch you in the next one.